friends to the 8th episode of our Europe trip. In this video, I'm going to take you through one of the most scenic train journeys in Europe, that is Zurich to Innsbruck. We will also peep into the happening city of Innsbruck, see it from the top of Innsbruck, visit Alpine Zoo, and last but not the least, the famous Swarovski Crystal Museum. Like SBB is the federal train network in Switzerland, Austria's federal train company is OBB. We took a Railjet Express on the OBB network from Zurich to Innsbruck. The journey takes around 3.5 hours. While on the train, we get spectacular views of Lake Zurich, Lake Wallensee. As the train passes through Liechtenstein and enters Austria, you get uninterrupted views of lush green landscapes, snow-clad mountains, the beautiful Arlberg Pass, and pretty European villages. To get the best views, sit on the left side of the train while facing in the direction of the travel. While the scenic views shift to the right side from Buchs in Switzerland before entering Liechtenstein, the train also reverses the direction. Nordkette, also known as Top of Innsbruck, offers panoramic views of the Innsbruck city from an altitude of around 7,400 feet above sea level. The base station for going to Nordkette is Innsbruck Congress, which can be reached in 20 minutes walking from Innsbruck main station. From here, you have to take a funicular followed by a cable car to the top. The cable cars run every 15 minutes. Every first Friday of the month, the restaurant Seegrub by DON invites you to a special culinary highlight, the fondue evening high above Innsbruck. Experience unforgettable hours and peaks of pleasure with exquisite food and drinks. Alpine Zoo is a fascinating destination in Innsbruck with over 2,000 animals representing more than 150 species. The Alpine Zoo is the highest zoo in Europe and provides visitors with an unforgettable experience. When you are in Innsbruck, visit to the fascinating world of crystals at the Swarovski Crystal World is a must. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes by bus from Innsbruck main station to reach Swarovski. There is a shuttle bus every 2 hours from Innsbruck main station to Swarovski, and the travel including the Swarovski tickets are covered in Innsbruck card. Enjoy the crystals, their beautiful reflections. Soak yourselves in the ice chamber and purchase the crystal jewelry from the shop as a token of your memorable visit. The best and economical way to explore Innsbruck is to buy a 24-hour to 72-hour Innsbruck card depending on the length of your stay. The Innsbruck card allows you direct entry to 22 plus attractions of Innsbruck, including Nordgate, Alpine Zoo, Swarovski Crystal World, the to and fro shuttle of Swarovski from Innsbruck, and all the public modes of transport. So friends, that's about our journey from Zurich to Innsbruck and visit to Innsbruck. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications of our future travel vlogs. Till then, it's me, Kaumudi Joshi, taking your sign off. See you soon. Bye-bye.